how to share stories on Telegram. If someone has posted a story on Telegram and you can view it, you will have an option to share it to other people if they have their privacy settings right. So if they have not allowed anyone else to see the story but only you, then you won't be able to share it. So here, this is a public story. So if I tap on share, I can share it with anyone on my contacts. So here are all of the options. You can even save it, send it to saved messages. You can send it to themselves or anyone other. So once you do that, you can simply tap here and it will be forwarded to all of those people. So I just saved it to my forwarded story. So on my saved messages, I can see it, and I've sent it to other person as well. So I can see it here as well. And that's how you can easily forward a story on Telegram. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.